Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock your Outlook mobile app with fingerprint authentication. This is a great security feature that ensures your emails stay private even if someone else gets hold of your phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to open it. Once the app launches and your emails have loaded, you'll see your inbox displayed on the screen. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice the Outlook icon sitting there. Go ahead and tap on this icon to access your settings menu. When you do this, a side menu will slide out from the left side of your screen, revealing several options for managing your Outlook experience. Within this side menu, look for the gear icon. This represents your Outlook settings and is typically located among the other menu options. Tap on the gear icon to open your complete settings page. This is where you can customize various aspects of how your Outlook app functions, including security features, notification preferences, and display options. Once your Outlook settings page opens, you'll need to scroll down through the available options. Keep scrolling until you locate the general section of your settings. This section contains fundamental app configurations that affect how Outlook operates on your device. Within this general section, look for an option labeled App Lock and tap on it. This feature is specifically designed to add an extra layer of security to your Outlook app, preventing unauthorized access to your emails and contacts. After tapping on App Lock, you'll be presented with 3 different security options to choose from. The first option is Pixel Imprint plus Pattern, which combines your fingerprint with a pattern unlock. The second option is Pixel Imprint plus PIN, combining fingerprint authentication with a numeric PIN code. The third option is Pixel Imprint plus Password, which pairs your fingerprint with a traditional password. All 3 of these options include fingerprint settings as the primary security method, but each offers a different secondary backup option. Simply choose whichever combination works best for you based on your security preferences and what you find most convenient to use regularly. And that's it. You've successfully set up fingerprint lock on your Outlook mobile app, adding essential security to protect your email communications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.